Hello again, everyone. I've got another exciting gas fireplace repair tip video. This one is another version of a lot of ones that are out there about the pilot light won't stay lit. So I've already done some of the disassembly work, and a lot of it's covered elsewhere. Some of this is going to be specific to my model. It's a Regency gas fireplace. Some of it's going to be a little generic, but the basic problem is the pilot light back here won't stay lit because you're not getting enough flame out of the left side and the right side to keep both the thermocouple and I guess the thermistor hot enough so that it'll keep the gas flowing and stay lit. And a lot of the time you get some rust or corrosion inside here, and it impacts the gas flow and you don't get a good enough flame. So for a few years I've kind of been battling this, and you can use wire brush and canned air or air compressor to try to blow it clean from the top side. But there's a very helpful video on YouTube that someone has that talks about actually blowing debris from the feed side rather than the exit side. So I'm going to talk a little about that in this. So I've already removed the glass panel here, which basically on most models you've got a spring-loaded clip of some sort on the left and the right. So to remove it, you have to release those clips, and then you can lift and pull the glass panel off in most cases. And then the key part is in your pilot light assembly here. Now on this model there's almost no clearance. You've only got about 3 inches to get in there, and it was quite difficult. But basically the key part is the gas feed line is on basically all of these replacement parts. If you were going to replace the whole pilot assembly, the gas feed line is a silver colored line that comes in. And what you want to do is find that after you've shut the gas off, and ideally shut the power off, which I kind of cheated on, but didn't have any issues. You need to get in there, and it's very tight on this model. It's a 7/16 inch wrench. Loosen that one nut, and then this flexible tube will come out. And then what you can do is take any kind of a tire inflator, air pump, air compressor if you have it handy. I just used a rechargeable tire inflator. Just fit it over the end fitting of the inner part of this tube. Give it a few good blasts, and what you'll probably see is a little bit of dust and rust coming out of these jet ports here. And then what you want to do, ideally you would reapply either pipe dope or the appropriate, it's the yellow, probably the yellow Teflon tape. I kind of banked on the existing pipe dope working, and it did. But you do want to do a leak check with some soapy water once you turn your gas back on. Make sure that don't have any bubbles that would indicate a gas leak. And then, if everything goes right, when you go to light your pilot, just turn, this is would have been off. Turn it to pilot. Now when I press in on the pilot start, I get nice blue flames coming widely out from the left and the right and the front. And then you do need to keep the switch depressed for about 30 seconds or so, at least on my model, to make sure that that everything heats up. And then once everything's good to go, it's most likely going to stay lit and keep your room warm. So I hope this helps, and good luck on your project. So I can turn this to on. Everything's still lit up. Can put my logs back in and I'll be all set to go.